the Island family.
Hello.
It's your girl Maria. You got your island boy here. Two of them.
Yeah. No, we met two. We're three.
Oh, three. Okay. So it's been a long time, guys, that we've you know, actually done a vlog, a local vlog, I should say, and we've been busy working and things, and obviously, you know, the baby's coming very soon. Sooner than soon, I think. So yeah, but not too soon. Still got time. What else? We've been renovating. You know, Babe's been doing a lot of painting. If you haven't seen his vlog on his channel, which is the Island Boy Africa, for all the new people that don't know, he has his own channel and he's been doing a lot of vlogging there with his veggie garden and things. The latest one was his painting for the room, painting the room and stuff. So yeah, anything you want to add?
Not really. We're going out fishing today.
Yeah,
It's been
months.
over 6 months. I haven't been fishing actually. The last time I went fishing was for my birthday on December 9th.
Guys, when I was in Jamaica, I was a baby.
That's
Yes.
right, you were. Yeah. So yes, so Babe was what you call it? Fishing for a while now. I haven't been fishing for a while. Is your license up to date, Babe? Your fishing license?
I should mention that I haven't even checked.
I have to check. But yeah, so we're going fishing today, guys, and we don't know what the day will bring. It seems like a nice day. Still a little bit cold this morning, 10:30 in the morning on a Saturday morning. And yeah, so you know, we'll obviously, you know, engage with you guys and ask you questions, so you can comment down below and let us know what you guys think. So the first question for you all is, a lot of people have been commenting about something like a baby registry. So if you guys are interested in that, like, say yes, let me know. I'll put one on there. I don't know. I am currently 32 weeks. So like I said, soon, but not too soon. Yes, our princess will be here, and she'll be in our loving arms, and we'll, you know, obviously share that journey with you guys as well. Yeah.
Definitely.
So yeah, join us, guys, today for our beautiful fishing adventure.
Yes, man.
And let's hope we get a big one, because Lord knows it's been a while since I had a proper fish. All right, well, actually a caught fish. No? Yeah. So vamos gente. And Island Boy, what do you have to say? Anything?
My grandma, my dad, we're going to the beach and not swimming. We're going to the beach to swim.
To swim?
Yes?
To fish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about swimming, Island. It is a little bit cold to swim, so.
We don't like to swim. It's so fun.
Yeah, it is fun to swim, but not in cold weather.
Why? Please,
Because-
Mom.
Anyways, join us, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's your girl Maria. So today, guys, I'm just here quickly just to spread some love. I've got a special handbag here today that I wanted to promote, and they're called Teddy Blake handbags. If you haven't heard about this company, they're an American, New York based company. They do beautiful handbags. I'm so excited to actually open this with you guys, because it's been a while. I've had this bag, but I've just haven't gotten around to do the video for it yet, which is why I'm doing it today. As you all know, I am 32 weeks pregnant, so lots of things have been happening, you know, hence, you know, this video taking so long to do. So I just wanted to say, yep, I'm gonna go ahead, open this beautiful box that I've been given by Teddy Blake handbags. If you haven't heard of them, please go ahead, go and check them out. They come in a beautiful box like this. They are absolutely beautiful. They are actually a Italian leather. So Italian leather bag. I'm super happy to actually say that I actually own one now, because I don't have any leather bags. This is my first leather bag I've ever purchased. So The link and everything will be in the description, will be down below. You'll get a discount for your first purchase. And I hope that all the ladies out there that follow the Island family and my personal channel will, you know, get one of these bags, okay? So yes, genuinely leather, made in Italy. And so I've been given this beautiful package and I'm here to show you guys all about it. So here we go, right? Let's show you. Oop. So this is a beautiful box it comes in. The bag that I got, if anyone's interested particularly in this bag, it's the Pam Vanessa Flame small bag, and I think I've dressed for the occasion as well, guys. There you go. Comes in its own little Teddy Blake New York handbag bag. So I personally haven't heard of Teddy Blake handbags before, and yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to show you all what I got. So yes, first red handbag, and I think I've dressed for the occasion as well. So nice, lovely little red nails there, and this is the bag, guys. So yes, if you're interested, go grab yourself. They've got thousands of designs, a lot of designs on their website. So please go ahead and check out Teddy Blake on all social media platforms. I at the moment haven't used it yet because I've just got it out of the box. But this bag, let me show you. It's a small bag, it's a size small. I'll take everything out of it for you as well. You can have a look at it. I love that leather smell. It reminds me so much of Argentina, like our leather, you know, in Argentina as well. It's got like a velvety sort of smell inside. It's beautiful leather, and you can actually extend the sides of it as well. You're into that. So I'll be using this one once the baby is born. I'll be probably popping a lot of things in there. It's got enough room for some stuff as well. So I'm super stoked to have this bag here with me. And I just wanted to say that thank you very much for Teddy Blake for giving me the opportunity to showcase one of your handbags. I am super stoked, and also, yeah, from your girl all the way down in Australia. And thank you very much for that. I do appreciate it. And guys, remember, go check it out. Links down below in the description box for these special bags. All right, peace out. Guys, we're here at the beach now. We're just looking at the waves and it looks pretty rough. So we're probably going to go to a more calmer spot. Usually we come here, it's our usual spot, but we had lots of luck. But anyhow, this is our spot now for now. We'll see how we go. Not many people are swimming because it's still a bit cold out there.
So we're gonna fish but we normally fish, but it's too rough, so come to a little calm harbor.
I'll be back.
Yeah, I try to find an exit because it's pure maintenance happening at the front here, so them kind of block it off. But that's a bridge over there, yeah, and where the main road is. Yeah, free public toilets right here. I don't know if we can go past this. Is there an exit to pass the fence? This is where we can exit and fish, because all that side is blocked off. Yeah, never fished at this side before, but we fished over there before. Yeah, so don't know what it's like. The weather is bad outside, so this is inside the harbor, under the bridge, the main road bridge, right here in Ballina. Yeah, it looks a bit shallow, but you can tell it gets a bit.
But if we cross the water and go there.
Yeah, should be able to go over there.
Yeah. Well, you can.
Yeah, I bet it's cold. Oh, this is where the bike, what you call this again?
Bike trail, right?
Yeah, where they do all their little stunts and things. You see crab?
No.
Oh, go further out. You sit up there.
Oh yeah,
Look up there.
looks
There's
good.
a swimming pool.
Pineapples on tree. Oh, what was that?
Like a bird, just dive.
Fish.
Yeah, dive for fish.
Maybe I want to see dolphins to bounce.
These things, I don't think they're eatable, eh?
No,
Just-
I don't know.
Yeah, I think they're just for
Anybody that
decorations.
watches us, they know, then they can explain.
Yeah, what is that? The bike park. All the kids are out having fun.
Yeah.
Now, and I think we fished around here before too. Is it?
Far, a bit further
Oh,
down.
a bit further.
Oh, look at the jet ski, guys.
Yeah.
Stack it, stack it, stack it. No. We like good footage. Damn, they're going fast.
We're gonna go out at the
Yeah,
front
well, you'll
there.
have to go get all the... You
Yeah.
can park in here, actually, if you drive
Mommy
your car.
can have it.
Oh,
There. Remember one of our friends had a birthday party there?
that's what I was trying to remember.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
You
this
can park
guy,
in there if you want.
this guy with his rod
And then
too.
we come here
Oh yes.
and fish here.
A couple people out there at their bike chilling.
The mouth of the ocean
Mom,
here.
can you have a
Yeah.
swim?
This place is nice, cool. Like, you can come under here if it's a hot day
For real.
and just
Can
chill.
you have a
Relax.
swim?
No, you can't swim, but boy, it's cold.
Why?
Look how under here looks. It's mad. These trees. Like literally on a hot sunny day, this would be a place where you can just come and chill and throw your line. I like it. Wow. Some big waves though.
Just asking the guy.
Oh yeah?
Cool,
Oh,
alright.
cool. Nice. Yeah, this look like a nice spot.
Looks like a nice spot for real.
Yeah.
Come down here.
Gonna have to go back and get the fishing gear.
You want to move the car? Down here.
Yeah.
So guys, babe's just gonna go and move the car. Island, come here, I want to see this way.
Number 2. Mom, I want to swim now.
Careful, careful. My gosh, that was close. Oh, it's lovely, yeah. No, we're not going further down. We'll go meet Dad at the car park. Come on. So here, guys, you can come and have a little. So we was just there at the skating park or the bike park, and then you can come in and have a barbecue with your family. Nice down this way. Yep, and Island wants to play on the park, so we're gonna go to. Yeah, go. While Dad moves the car. Hey?
Can I hold this?
What you gonna do? No, Mummy, film you. Come on.
I'm not gonna break it.
Okay, here. Here. Don't break it.
Hello guys, look at my hair.
Yeah, you got a haircut yesterday.
Yeah, last night.
Yeah, okay. Good. Alright. Well, I'll stay. Very good. What are you doing? You put your feet up there.
Okay.
Oh, I think you do.
This is look like a bug.
Looks about right. Oh yeah, here comes Dad. He's coming on the other. Oh, look at this wheelie one here, Island. Come. Over here, sweetie. It's nice and quiet here, guys.
What's this?
Ooh, you lay on it and Mummy will spin it.
Mom, don't spin faster.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. There's Dad. Dad's helping Island. Hold on tight. Go on. Yay! Skinny boy. I love it. Gidgy boss. Dad, you're looking very Australian. Yeah, very.
Just trying some clothes.
Oh, yeah, you
Now
feeling
the cold,
cold?
Now the cold, but thinking it's not gonna
Do you
be
want me
a
to go
warm
buy
day.
you a jumper?
No, I'm good.
I can go buy you a jumper, a cheapy one.
When I get in the sun, it's gonna be good. Just under here.
It's a bit cold, yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to get this boy so we can set up our rods. Island! Island! Come! I'll tell him we bring him back. We're going to go and set up the fishing rods and then we'll come back.
But why?
Because we can set up the fishing rods and come back.
But why, Mom?
So when Mummy and Daddy can have a throw of the line.
Why?
Just say yes, okay, and we'll come back.
No.
No? What, are you going to get lunch?
I'm still playing.
Alright, let's go fishing. I want to go fishing, I think. I'm ready to be the champion today.
Yeah.
And I bet you we won't even get that far. So guys, we're here with Babes and Island Boy, and we just decided to come back to this point where I showed you guys earlier. It's a little relaxing. I've got myself a little chair here, and Island has a little cushion there for his bum. Yeah. Island, turn around.
Hello, guys. Wag, 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 wag. You bubbles, blow it.
Blow the bubbles, go. You're supposed to run around, Bobo,
Oh, yeah.
and let the bubbles. Careful, don't spill your bottle. Soon we're going to go grab something to eat and bring it back here. Something to eat and bring it back to have a picnic here with Dad and Island.
Some kind of fish.
This is how we do it. Who? Oh, he's through beds. Okay.
Oh, look at
Oh, wow, look, yeah.
those. Look at those. Mommy,
Careful, Bobo. Oh, yeah, look at the bubbles.
we're going to the
Hey, you
pool.
be careful you don't fall down on the rocks. Oh, yeah. Calling them for food.
I know it's brim. I ain't brim.
Oh, it's going to fall down. Let's hold
Okay.
it.
Nice. Relaxing.
Alright, so time for the first cast. A guy threw some bread just there a while ago and the fish were going crazy. You know, in Jamaica I used to catch what we call balawu with bread. So that's really interesting to know. I think the brim fish was eating the bread. So we're gonna try this out. New to this spot, first time fishing here, but it looks good. So let's see. And a very light sinker. Look at this guy. It's crazy. First cast, they stole the bait, which is a good sign.
Soldier going through those rocks. If it was me, I'd be tripping slowly. Honestly, I don't know how you do it.
Over 6 months of seas up, we out again. We got company. Nah, nothing. What are you going for? Baits? Oh yeah? Ah, okay. Interesting. Oh, so they seem like what the guy was throwing the bread. They're trying to get the fish to go in. Hey? Yeah. Oh, that's massive. Oh, nice one. Yep. Oh, thank you, bro. Oh, she.
There you go.
Thank you, bro. Ah, nice one. So it's just bread you put on the hooks
Yeah.
to catch those mullet?
Yeah.
Oh, wicked.
Alright.
Oh, that's mad. That's something. Small brim. It's a very small brim, guys. But Babe went and got nice fish and chips.
Yeah. Guys, I eat ice cream. Eat this.
Yeah, nice.
Oh, nice.
What is that? Lost it. Shoot. Yeah, and some nice snapper. Snapper, you say? Yeah. Nice. No luck as yet, it's been slow.